Hi guys, welcome back to another card making video. Today we're going to make a really quick card with my new stamp set, Pumpkin Spice Everything. And I illustrated this one so it has a special place in my heart. And I think it's a perfect stamp set to use to send to friends. I've included sentiments, stay cozy, thanks a latte, coffee is always better with a friend, pumpkin spice everything, and warm hugs. I did include a little sprinkle textured stamp there that you can use for texture. So I hope you have fun coloring up these images in different ways. I've also done a card paper piecing with these images, and that turned out really cute. So I can't wait to see what you do with it. Today we're making a really pretty card, and we're pulling stamps from the other stamp sets from the release. You can easily mix and match your stamps from this release. That's what I love about it. You can get the I Want It All bundle at a discounted price for a limited time if you wanted to get the whole release. Here's another card I created with the other image from the set. To start off with my card today, I am stamping my sentiment on my card panel with VersaFine Clear Onyx Black ink. I'm using the sentiment Coffee is Always Better with a Friend. I think it goes perfect with the image with the two lattes. I colored up my image with Copics, but I can't wait to try watercolors and colored pencils. I think that would look really beautiful. Now that green scrubber there is the Picket Fence stamp scrubber, and I love that thing to scrub off the ink from my stamps. And then I'll take my chamois and then dry that off. I do have that scrubber in the shop, so I'll remember to link it down below. Now I'm going to pull the leaves from the other stamp sets from the release. So that other stamp set that you see there is our Fall Gnomes stamp set. And there's a beautiful leaf in there that I want to use. So I'm going to take all the leaves, arrange them to go around the card panel, kind of like a frame. And this doesn't take away from the main image. I think it just really just brings it all together. Now this stamp set here is called You, Me, and Pumpkin Spice. It's super cute and it has some beautiful leaves in there. So we're going to use those to finish up our scene here. For the coloring today, I'm using my Copic markers. I wanted the leaves to look like they were changing colors, so I used several colors: greens, oranges, yellows, red, browns. So I had fun just mixing up the colors. I didn't have a problem mixing the colors. I found that yellow blended nicely into the green, orange blended nicely into the red, and yellow blended nicely into the brown. I did add some foam adhesive to the back of my image to add some dimension to the card. I did use the sprinkles stamp to fill in the gaps between the leaves. I also topped it off with sequins, and that will complete the card today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and enjoy the new stamp sets. Thanks for stopping by, and I'll catch you real soon. Bye guys!